Okay, today we're going to be having a look at the KME stone holders that Gritomatic provides, the leading edge stone holders for any 6-inch either Edge Pro form factor, dual-sided or 4-inch dual-sided, any type of form factor, whether it be Venev dual-sided or Columbia Gorge stoneworks or Venev Cerberus dog type style, or basically any 4 or 6-inch strop can be used on the KME system too. We have a 4-inch and a 6-inch holder. What you'll need to do is take your original KME stone holder rod, loosen the nut on the end here. Mine's already been loosened, so I don't need a spanner to loosen that up. Remove it. Set aside your original KME stone holder. Let's have a look at the 4-inch system first. Now inside here you'll have a nut pre-installed inside of a slot. It might be loose when you receive it, but just make sure it lines up inside. We've just put a sticker over the top so it doesn't fall out. And the KME rod goes right into the hole where the nut is. Screw it in all the way. Snug up the nut. I'm not going to be doing it for demonstration purposes, but just give it a bit of a tightening with a spanner or a small pair of pliers. And now you have a 4-inch stone holder for the KME. I'll just loosen this up slightly. Let's install one of the Venev Scorpion stones. Line it up. Pop it in position and snug it up. Now you can use your KME system with any 4-inch size stone. Let's have a look at the Columbia Gorge stoneworks. Slot it in, snug it up, and the Columbia Gorge stonework stones are installed in the KME system. Venev dog or Cerberus size, a little bit smaller. Pop it into position, line it up and snug it up. Now the 6-inch holder works exactly the same way. You'll be installing the KME rod into the hole with a nut, the 6-inch holder. Tighten up the nut with a pair of pliers or a spanner. Now you can either use any Edge Pro style with dovetail form factor 6-inch stone. Line it up, snug it up, and you can use 6-inch stones on the KME. Obviously you'll see it's a little bit long for the KME system, but you could rotate the stone one way or the other to make sure you use most of the stone. Or eventually we'll be releasing longer clamps, Gritomatic or other type clamp systems for the KME that replaces the original KME clamp. Let's have a look at the Venev dual-sided stone. I'll put it in position, line it up, slide it down, and that's installed there. And there you go. Gritomatic stone holders for KME, 4-inch or 6-inch size.